2023 Nissan Frontier, Features, Price, Release Date, Pro 4X. Nissan's well-known pickup has been around for ages and it has finally received a redesign this year, after more than 15 years. The new model brings improvements in various aspects, so we are pretty sure that the 2023 Nissan Frontier, which will represent the second production year, will come without more important changes. Still, there is always room for minor tweaks, while some sources even suggest a new, more rugged version than the Pro 4X. The latter should be taken with a big reserve. You may count on the same vehicle as the one that represents the 2022 model year. This is a pretty good pickup overall, with strengths in various fields. We like how it rides, as well as the standard V6 engine. Also, the styling definitely helps it stand out from the crowd. Considering that it probably won't feature significant changes, we believe that the 2023 Nissan Frontier will hit the market sometime in the second half of 2022. 2023 Nissan Frontier Design. Design-wise, the 2023 Nissan Frontier definitely won't change. As we already mentioned, it will represent the second production year of the new generation, so the best we could see are minor updates regarding standard equipment. On the other hand, the overall design will remain the same. The recent redesign has brought a lot of novelties, but interestingly, it continued to ride on the same platform. Of course, we are talking about the well-known F-Alpha platform. Even the wheelbase is the same as in the previous model, 126 inches. However, Nissan did a great job with the new suspension, so the ride quality is much better, whether it's about comfort or cornering. The steering also feels way more precise than before. Naturally, there is a completely new styling, highlighted by the new front end that utilizes a lot of bold design solutions, making this truck look very futuristic. The rest of the vehicle also looks bold, and we have no doubt that aesthetics will be one of the strongest selling points of this pickup. Interior. The cabin is designed pretty well. It's not too flashy, but the overall build quality is pretty good. The dashboard is typically truckish, but it actually utilizes some quite nice materials. Once again, this model is available in an extended cab and in a crew cab layout. The former comes with a 6-foot bed, while the crew cab model comes with a little bit shorter, 5-foot box. Besides good overall quality, the cabin also comes with a decent amount of tech features. Base models come standard with an 8-inch touchscreen, while you can also opt for a bigger 9-inch unit. Both use the same software that is intuitive and easy to use. Among other tech features, you can find a 7-inch digital instrument display, Bluetooth, USB ports, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, etc. 2023 Nissan Frontier engine. No more inline 4. The new generation comes only with a new V6, and we have no doubt that the 2023 Nissan Frontier will continue in the same way. So, you may count on the same 3.8-liter V6, which puts out around 310 horsepower and comes in pair with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The whole setup works pretty well, and we like how this pickup rides. When it comes to max towing capacity, you may count on about 6,720 pounds, which is good but still behind class leaders. The max payload capacity goes around 1,600 pounds. What about the new off-road version? We already mentioned that some rumors suggest a new, even more rugged version for the 2023 Nissan Frontier. At this point, the Pro 4X is the most capable Frontier, which comes with lots of off-road hardware. Some of the highlights are goodies like a Dana rear axle, electronic locking rear differential, Bilstein off-road shocks, and 3 skid plates. So, the new version would come with even more than that, with additionally upgraded suspension and several more upgrades. Some sources even speculate about a more powerful engine, but none of these sound particularly likely to use. You should probably take these rumors with a big reserve. 2023 Nissan Frontier release date and price. We expect that the 2023 Nissan Frontier will arrive sometime in the second half of 2022, with a starting price of around $31,500. Key competitors are models like Ford Ranger, GMC Canyon, Jeep Gladiator etc.